Hello everyone, Chandrakanti this side. I start my morning here with sunrise, a positive vibes, with a package of spirituality and positiveness, which leads to harmony. Being happy completely depends upon ourselves, not others. If we depends, which leads to expectation, and expectation is only way to depression. So the question is, how does one lead a happy life? We all are responsible for our own happiness. For example, someone asked me, is your husband give you happy? I said, my reply was no. My husband is indeed amazing. He loves me. He does everything in his capacity to keep me happy. The happiness depends upon me. When I take this obligation of his having to make me happy away from my husband or for that matter anyone else, free them from burden, making you happy. Happiness is our responsibility and sincerely we have to make that choice. Every moment, never give away a control of your happiness to anyone or anything else. Take charge of your own happiness. If we clean up our mind, we can easily radiate beautiful vibes to the world. Human nature is to keep staying clean, tidy, and perfection, but it is an outside. Inside, we are dull, not tidy soul, not clean up. First, we need to clean our mind, clean our heart, our soul. If someone hurt me and it remains in my mind as a stain, and I am waiting for them to clean. So instead of waiting them, we need to clean our own stain. We should not depend upon others or expect from them to give you happy. We are only alone responsible for our own happiness. Even they had never accept whether they have hurt us. Even they deny. They are mistake. Their mistake who is creating the pain that is I, who is radiating the pain in body that is I, who is carrying the energy when I moved anywhere that is I. But why for that mistake which they have committed? Why my mind, my heart, my soul will suffer for their mistake? Is it worth? If we hold on the past mistakes of others people, it makes us emotionally weak. Their behavior is the reflection of their personality. Right or wrong, we are no one to judge. It may not be comfortable for me, but it's right for them. I need to ask myself, can I start practicing that their behavior will not affect our mind or ourselves, which will reflect our world. According to in our Vedas, there are two kinds of happiness. One kind of happiness that degrades you if you run after it. It pulls you down. And another kind of happiness that uplifts you. So a happiness which seems to be extremely sweet right now, but later on it turns bitter like poison. If we run after that happiness, our life will become what? It will become hell. It is the path into hell. But another one, it bitter life. But mind runs away from it. This is the enigma of life. The students who runs after immediate happiness will have to reject knowledge. And one who is a real student, the seeker of knowledge, will have to reject immediate happiness. Similarly in life, the good things always lie upstream. In other words, to reach them, we need to embrace its discipline, austerity, hardship, and the mind rebels against it. Now, if you listen to the mind, there is a good chance you will make a wrong decision. When we choose happiness in the wrong place, that becomes the cause of miseries. Hence, with our intellect, we need to analyze and understand where is the real happiness that will satisfy you. Happiness is not an object. The happiness that you experienced was a desire. The pain that the desire created was eliminated, and you are thinking, I am happy. Real happiness is in God, and it is our own soul. We need to clean our own soul. We need to clean our heart. We need to purify our mind. The other words, real happiness is only be experienced by growing from within, by becoming better person from inside. If we can understand this one important point, then rather than running around for external enhancement, we'll give a priority in our life for internal growth. Instead of running for external progress, sticks to internal growth. Give more importance to the inner victories. Make it your primary value in life. Life will become a better person, and better we become from inside, the closer we will find we are. The genuine happiness that satisfies the soul. So, let us establish the firm conviction within ourselves to be happy. Happy is not we need tremendous amount of money or fame or titles or houses. All we need is to become a better people. When that is our faith and our belief, then the trajectory of our life will be auspicious, beneficial, uplifting, and sublime. Thank you.